Well, here we are. There's Jet Ski Island. Just barely underwater, the tide's dropping a little bit. Vancouver Island, the Gulf Islands over there. This is the Jet Ski Island 360 video. South arm of the Fraser's just over that rock wall. Where the ships go down there is the Roberts Bank Superport, coal port, container terminal. Past that's a ferry terminal. Tawasin, Westham Island, Rifle Bird Sanctuary, Steveston, West Richmond, all mud bank there. Maple Ridge in the background and the mountains. North Vancouver, Seymour Mountain, Grouse Mountain, then West Vancouver, Hollyburn Mountain. And in the foreground is the city of Vancouver and UBC. Then that's Howe Sound. Up there is the Sunshine Coast. A little blop way off in the distance is Texada Island. It's about 50 miles from here. And then the Georgia Strait goes all the way up to Campbell River and carries on to Alaska. And then we're back to the sun. And that's the full circle. And I got the whole place to myself. Beautiful.